There's something that has been eating at me that I have to talk about in conversation, so hear me out right quick. A lot of you are insufferable. You really are. I'm not saying this to roast you. I'm saying this so you can personally understand how you are, so you can fix yourself before introducing yourself to new people. Case point and example, the individual who is a weirdo who makes a bot account, a scripted account to just go into your comment section talking the crap that he will never say in real time. Another case and example is an individual that says that I would respect you more if you were a little bit more honest and you showed them absolute honesty. Even if the truth is like a double-edged sword, guess what they're going to do? Yep. Do I look fat in this dress? You look horrendous. Horrendously thick! Jokes aside, don't ask for the real me, and then I show you the real me, and then you reject them. I was a gentleman at first, but now you get to see the dick. I'm talking slapping you up, stepping on the back of your neck. If you want me to hold the door open for you, guess what? That's not going to happen. Ask me for a favor, you won't get it. Ask for help, I won't give it. You created this monster, now you got to deal with him.